So, welcome to a very different type of video. Normally I would never show my whole workspace at one time because I just am self-conscious about it. But I've reached critical mass. This minibrute that I did the video on has officially become the straw that broke the camel's back. I have no space. Like, my keyboard is hanging off the desk. That's in the way. It's hanging off the desk. All of my wires are just here. All the rack equipment, the mixer's just crammed. I mean, it looks, on camera, it don't look too shabby, right? Like, that's not bad. But in real life, it's claustrophobic. You go to sit down, and there's nowhere to put anything. And it's like, really? And then, of course, my workbench, okay, never mind the fact that it's directly in front of an air conditioner, which during the summertime sucks because it's steadily blowing cold air right on the side of your head. And it just makes your sinuses feel crap. It messes with soldering. It's horrible. And then my workbench for the videos that I do, the thing about this is it's the same issue, blowing on the back of my neck. It's loud right by my camera, right? So all this has got to go. I haven't even put this up. It's been a hectic. I was busy for weeks. As soon as I got the Halloween synth done, then I'm like, heck yeah, got that done. Immediately had the kids, had them for quite a bit. And then as soon as I dropped them off, my body's like, hey, now that you got free time, you're sick. You're sick. Like, ah! So now I have officially reached the I'm done being sick. My fever's gone. It's time to do something. So one last little pan. I'm going to try to get from here all the way to here rebuilt. And when I say rebuilt, I mean I'm going to make this a whole new space. So yeah, that's one last look. And we'll see you in a bit. Dang, I'm tired. But I got my workbench all the way taken down and moved. And I got me a new workbench I'm working on now. I'm exhausted. The bright side is the only thing left to do is set everything up. I don't know that I'm gonna put in the next workbench or not. The little short piece that I was telling you I might like come out here. I may or may not do that. I don't know yet. We'll have to see. So this has been a long time coming, especially since I kind of threw that bench together without forethought. Now I regret it. So, well, the only thing I've done so far is I added the wing to see if I like it. And I actually kind of do. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it there permanently. It is modular. It's something I can take apart. It's not like permanent. I can always take the screws out. I am give out though, and I still gotta put all my junk. There's Fred. I have officially reached my limit. I said I was going to stop, but then I kept going and going and going. I managed to get most of my stuff put back. Now the next step is going to be to like organize and neaten it up. What's up, guys? I know it doesn't look like much, but I got my desk all the way done, and all of my music set up except for my guitars aren't hung up yet. The guitar hanger, the bolts were really shitty, cheap shit, and they broke. They stripped, and I forgot about that. So I'm gonna have to either drill them out and pull the thing off the wall and leave the bolts behind, or I might have to go to Lowe's and buy a screw extractor. So yeah, I've got my workbench. It looks so different in here. Like, I'm gonna get up. I'm in a chair. It's bigger than it looks. You know, this is an 8-foot desk with an 8-foot shelf, and this is an 8-foot desk, and this desk is it's 18 inches by 5 feet. So I got a 5-foot, an 8-foot, and an 8-foot. And the way I did this one, I actually do get the full 8 feet. I didn't cheat myself and put it up against the wall. I could have done that, but I was like, no. All right, to show you how things have progressed, I've managed to get my 3D printer in here, right? Got my desk all set up, 3D printer set up. Everything's set up except for there's one monstrosity. It's this train wreck, and that's going to be the next time lapse. But this desk, that is horrendous. So I'm going to time lapse next, and then we'll see if we can't finish up this build. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna stop, but I hit the runner's high and couldn't stop. So I've got something to show you. So come on, let's get to it. I love it. It's freaking clean. It's freaking clean. Oh my god. I love it. I don't know why I decided to share this as a video. I don't know why I'm putting the effort into time lapsing it and editing and all this stuff that's probably going to take me a solid day just to make it watchable. Hey Fred. Fred wonders why I'm doing it. I don't know. I just wanted to do it. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'll see you next time.